Hello brothers, sisters, me are called for shizzle, my nizzle. So Kofi Mukaase is back again, and this time around we are in the heart of London. Man, from 14th of September from 12 noon to 8 p.m, Kofi Mukaase will be in Hounslow, and the location of this place is called The Sun. So all the brothers and sisters in London, man, this is the time to come and witness authentic Ghanaian local chop bar in London. If you've been to Kofi Mukaase program before, you know what I'm talking about. And if this is your first time that you'll be coming, you enjoy to the max. That
is the beauty.
The beauty of it.
The beauty of it.
This is 1:2. Obi afa ba konkwa for me, you know. Over to me. So there'll be indigenous traditional local food like Fufu, Kokonte, TZ, Banku, man, just name it, jollof, anything. Man, for shizzle man nizzle, so on the 14th of September from 12 noon to 8 p.m, come taste the tradition and also embrace the diversity. So the postcode to this location is TW3 1UG in Hounslow. And also you can call Kofi Mukaase for any other inquiries on 074 6373 6033. Yeah, that's Kofi Mukaase's contact. Call him, contact him for any inquiries, anything that I want to know. Kofi Mukaase, you'll see the dinner time for any woo. Man, let's meet on the 14th of September at The Sun in Hounslow, London, UK. Alright, God. And how do you see the center?
I said they're higher. They are not
The worst man. That's how we want.